Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful table centerpiece. So if you like more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me your comments and let's get started and I'll show you how to build this beautiful arrangement. Let's go. Hi guys. Okay, so as I showed you before, we're gonna be building this balloon table centerpiece for a Sweet 15. So the colors for this centerpiece, the mom sent me a picture, which I will pop right over here. She sent me a picture of what the idea of the cake colors are going to be, and they're gonna be in gradient, almost like a gradient from black to white with accents of gold, which I think it's a really cool theme. But you know, I'll go through the balloon colors and how I mix some balloons to get to that, you know, black, gray, and light colors. So I'll show you. But just so you know, the centerpiece hoop is not mine, and so my client actually dropped off this hoop. I'm not sure where she got it from, but it reads this. This is the title, balloon hoop, pretty standard. And I guess her daughter's gonna turn 15, so she wants to do some balloons, but more than what the picture shows, and the colors and theme that she wants. Okay, so you can see right behind me, I already started the color, so you guys can see. So it's gonna, I don't wanna put too much black, and she didn't want to do too much black, so I just only added 2 little black balloons, and then the rest is going from like gray into that bright white, okay? So I am going to be putting more balloons right over here to show you guys how I got this effect, and also hanging a balloon 15, number 15, okay? Now, it looks like, you guys, this is plastic, this is not metal, and it looks like, well, she gave me the box, so I built it. You just clip it in, and it has a base that's water. So it's still a little on the wobbly side, but that's what she provided. So because it's gonna go on a table, I don't think you need to worry about it, except when you're building the little garland, it might wobble a little bit, but other than that, it's not the sturdiest stand ever. But that's what the client wants me to build. And all right, so let me go over. So I will be utilizing some small balloons that I double stuffed to get this color, gray, okay? So I wanted something that wasn't black and wasn't like completely dark to make it very somber, because at the end of the day, it is a 15th-year-old birthday party. So what I did is I just double stuffed black inside white. How do you double stuff it? Very simple. Use any straw or stick that you have. These are your 2 balloons. You're going to go like that and just insert the black inside the white. I'll show you the color. I'm only using like about 5 pumps. So I'm gonna do mini little quads of this. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if with the light you can pick it up, but it makes this almost like a, it's not white and it's not black, but like a matted gray color. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To get almost the same size. I'm going to grab the inside of the balloon and the inside of the other balloon. So in this case will be the black one. And I'm just gonna tie them together. And why am I doing the inside? instead of the whole thing, because it's easier to tie it. It's not as hard. And also I have more room to loop over here. You see? So that's a trick. If you make it too tight like that, you won't be able to loop it and you get a risk of popping your balloons. So keep that in mind. So I'm doing this and let me see, my grays are gonna go together. So I'm gonna build another mini little quad. 5. And then the other one as well. Okay. So I'm going to tie them. Just like this. And with this one, it will be my quad. Now, I can put my duplex right here and then my other one on top. Or you could just build a quad already and still have room to loop, which is what I want to do. So you're going to grab it like this and loop it. Still have fun with this one, guys. Okay. You see? And you loop it. Okay? Don't worry about the parts that you can see because you're going to be filling it up. So in this case, I'm going to leave it here, put a little bit of white, more gray, and black. So, now I'm going to move on to, I have pearlized balloons. They're white, but they're pearlized, and they're thinner, almost see-through. And inside this, I'm going to put black inside, and you're going to get like a darker gray effect. So first I did this color, now I'm moving to this color. You see how pearlized and shiny it is compared to this matted one? So same situation, I'm going to double stuff them. Now these are not 5 inches. Actually, these are 5 inches. These are 9 inches. I'm just using what I have. So if you have 5 inches, that's great. Because it's such a small arrangement, I'm not going to go crazy and buy a huge bag of balloons just for this little quad. So, you know. So whatever I have, I'm using to create that color. And that's why I'm double stuffing. If you buy gray balloons, you can do that too. But for all of those of you that don't necessarily want to buy a whole bag, you could just grab black and white and make your gray color, right? You see this? You can almost see the black inside, but it gives it that pearlized effect, which is what I want. Even though this is a 9 inch instead of a 5, I'm still giving it the same amount of pumps. These pearlized gray and these matted grays are the only balloons that I'm double stuffing to get that gradient color effect. The other colors are just going to be inflated regular and weave through the hoop. Just the pearlized from this one only will look like this. And I'm gonna add a few black on this side, and you're gonna continue to do the same thing, okay? And it's gonna give you that almost like a little mini garland on the top and a mini garland at the bottom. Okay, so this is one quad. Now if you want to prepare your quads before start adding them or do them one at a time, you can do that too, so you don't waste product and you know where every quad is going to go. I want to put my quad right here. I mean, sorry, my duplex. Just loop them to secure them in place, okay? And just like that, you guys. So my little white ones are gonna go smaller, I think, on this side. And then I'm gonna use my 5-inch, I have 5-inch chrome balloons. And these, I'm teeny tiny inflating them, literally to like a pump and a half. That's it. And I'm actually reducing, make them even smaller. And I'm using these gold ones as accents to my piece. Some of them I'm able to tie in there and they're snug, but some of them are space fillers. So what I do is just use my glue dots and put them, like this one is glue dot to 3 balloons right here. So I will probably be using them accordingly. So I inflated these numbers right here that you see, very simple, just with air. And all I did was secure this and weave it into my piece on my base. But now I have a few different options I can do with the number 1. I could either glue dot right here and call it a day, or I could put it a little bit down or a little bit up. So I'm not sure what the look. Hi guys. Okay, so I finally finished, and all I did, just to show you guys, is I inflated my little balloons for the number 15. And all I did was, just like anything else, when you put a foil balloon in a garland, I put a 260, weave it on the base, and all I really did was just use glue dots to stick my number 1 to the 5 and some of the balloons over here to give it some support. And that's it, you guys. That's all it is. I spread out some of the little balloons and I just put them with glue dots, and this is the final look. How do you guys enjoy this? It's such a quick little arrangement, but like I always say, it's so easy and said when you know, you promise to the customer, oh, it's going to be so easy. And it turns out that the easiest ones are the hardest and more difficult to figure out sometimes. In this case, this wasn't as hard, but I guess the only hard part would be to get that look of the gradient from dark to light and, you know, have the nice combination of colors. I originally thought about actually hanging the number with fish line, but when I tried to do it, it was just so like wobbly and like floating that it didn't have like a support. So I think just by attaching the number 5 and glue dotting this one it just turned out way better. So for more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me your comments, and don't worry, because I will be posting more videos with more arrangements, and I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great night. Bye-bye.